So ethics of artificial intelligence systems is quite an interesting topic, and especially AIs tend to exaggerate what is already in humans. And for example, if we are discriminatory, that is going to be detectable on the text that we write on the internet. And since artificial intelligence systems are nothing but a statistical aggregate of these things, of course, AIs would behave in the ways we're already biased. And the problem is, it doesn't rectify what's already there. So if there are systemic racism or systemic discrimination, systemic biases. Oh, by the way, this is beautiful, isn't it? Oh, how beautiful this is. Systematic, tendency to do wrong. AI would just preserve it. So AI in that sense is really conservative, and that is one of the problems I think with artificial intelligence systems. So in order to make AIs more proactive, pro social reform and so on, we need to have a way to arrive at a consensus of what the AIs should aim at. But that is a difficult issue because there are different opinions. And again here, if we take a statistical aggregate of left to right, liberal to conservative ideas, then what we get is only a lukewarm attitude towards social reforms and so on. And also it depends on language and culture, and I think there are graduation ceremonies going on in this university. There are people with funny academic hats, and it's quite interesting. Anyway, makes me remember my old days. Maybe you can take a glimpse of the happily graduated students. Where was I? Yes, we do need to have a consensus, because artificial intelligence systems is not a time machine. This is a really important aspect of AI at now, because, for example, Chat GPT and the artificial intelligence systems that it's based, GPT-4 and so on, they have aggregated information up to a certain period of time, 2021. That means that it's kind of backward looking. It doesn't reflect the progress or deterioration of society since that time, and it's not the time machine into the future, definitely. So there might be actually ways to try and kind of extend the tendency at present for the better and make it a futuristic time machine. But then again, there's this question of how to come to an agreement about what the future should entail, and that is also going to be really difficult. So, the problem with the artificial intelligence system is that it's conservative at best, because it studies what the humans have written in the past, and also it's lukewarm, it's midway. It doesn't have any pro-social reform aspects of learning. So these things could be a hindrance to the way we use artificial intelligence systems. And by the way, look at all these wonderful, beautiful flowers here. I need to stop here again. Wow, look at these beautiful cherry blossoms. That's the University of Tokyo baseball field. Anyway, so I will stop here. But anyway, these are the concerns that we need to be considering in the coming years when we discuss how to, make use of artificial intelligence systems for the better future of our species and beyond. And I said beyond purposefully because, it's not about human beings. It's about pigeons, all the creatures on this earth. We need to have not only pro-human artificial intelligence, but also pro-biological species, artificial intelligence, and in that regard, AIs have a very severe limitations because it's language based, and only humans speak language. Hello, these trees, these wonderful creatures do not speak language. The cherry blossom there, it doesn't speak language. That birds, the insects, they do not speak language. So how can we build an artificial intelligence system that encompasses all these things? It's difficult, but we need to be there. So with that thought, I probably should stop filming and start admiring all these wonderful cherry blossoms, which of course should be incorporated in the future AI systems.